Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top. Do that once more and you will see all your toggles. Now my Do Not Disturb mode is already turned on, so I'm gonna first actually turn it off. So now it will be in the same state as it is for you. So once you find the toggle, which should be on the first page of the toggles, there is multiple pages. So once you find it, hold the toggle. This will then quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it actually functions. So in here you can choose people, meaning who can call you and who can message you. Then we have also exceptions for apps, alarms and other interruptions. Below that we will have a schedule. So here you can set up a specific schedule for yourself, and I just take one that is already pre-made. So we have sleeping as an example, which runs on, what is it, Saturday and Sunday only? No, it's all week. So from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So this is the entire week. It starts at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. So it just goes over the night, obviously, as sleeping would imply. Now you can either change the ones that are pre-made. So you can, for instance, top of on the days of the week, change those. Also, you can change the start time and end time, obviously. And from there, go back and changes will be made. And if you're planning to use schedule, all you would do is just enable it right here. Additionally, you don't need to change those that you have already right here. You can also add more if you want to. So you can have different schedule for different day of the week. It's completely up to you. I don't think there's a limit to how many you have. Now, going back here, we have also duration for quick settings. This defines what happens when you actually just tap on this toggle right here. By default, it is turned on until you tap on it again to turn it off, but you can change it to be a specific amount of hours, which you can change right here. This is at least right here, this option is one-time change. So if I select it to be 3 hours and I tap on the toggle, this will enable it for 3 hours, and it tells you until what time it's going to be running. And if you select Ask Every Time, it will bring the two options every time. And also you can change them on the fly right now. So, last things last, display options for hidden notifications, just options for how notifications will show up during this mode. Now, once you went through the settings right here and customize them to your liking, you can quickly enable it either from here, obviously. I'm going to change this to this one. So you can enable it from here, turn on, and it's right now running. And obviously you can also do it from the little notification tray right here. You can turn it off, on. So there we go. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.